Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find fuses relays for the battery current sensor, guys, on GMC Sierra, that generation 2014 to 2018, also that's known as the BMS sensor. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find these fuses and relays, and if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. If you need to get something, check it out, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from, so let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The battery current sensor, fuses and relays, let's explain where you can find them guys on that generation GMC Sierra. Now quick advice guys, 90% of the owners do not know that there will be many hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Sierra. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, very important video that people told us. We saved them thousands of dollars in repair. So here we need to open the driver door guys, and one of the hidden fuse boxes we will need today. It's located on the driver's side. You see that dash cover here? If you pry that cover open, behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, what we need to check now here, let's go ahead and explain. Let's zoom in. The appearance of the fuse box may slightly differ for 2018 model, but specifically for that fuse only will apply for all these models 2014 through 2000 and through 2000 guys, and 18. So the fuse that we need to check for the battery current sensor, it's known as fuse number 37. You see that 30 fuse? That's the one that you need to check. Very important fuse guys. What about the relay? You don't have a relay? You have only that fuse, that's known as a relay fuse. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.